In this video, I'll show you how to delete messages on the LinkedIn app. If you want to clean up your LinkedIn inbox on mobile, there are actually two different things you can delete. You can delete an entire conversation, or you can delete one specific message that you sent. LinkedIn treats those as separate actions, and the steps are a little different for each one. Let's start with deleting a full conversation in the LinkedIn app. Open the app and tap the messaging icon in the upper right. Then open the conversation or group chat you want to remove. After that, tap the More icon in the upper right corner, choose Delete Conversation, and confirm by tapping Delete. LinkedIn says this removes the conversation from your inbox, but not from the other person's inbox. It also says deleted conversations can't be restored. Now, let's talk about deleting a single message instead of the whole chat. Open the LinkedIn app, tap Messaging, and go into the conversation. Then tap and hold the message you sent. LinkedIn says a menu will appear where you can choose Delete and then confirm the deletion. This is useful if you only want to remove one message without deleting the entire conversation. There is one very important limit here. LinkedIn says you can edit or delete a sent message within 60 minutes of sending it. So if too much time has passed, the delete option for that individual message may no longer be available. Also, LinkedIn says you can't delete a sent in-mail message within a conversation. If your goal is just to clean up the inbox faster, LinkedIn also supports managing conversations in bulk on mobile. You can tap and hold a conversation in your message list to enter selection mode, or use the More menu and choose Manage Conversations. From there, LinkedIn says you can select multiple conversations and delete, archive, or mark them as read or unread. Here's another helpful thing to know. Deleting a conversation is not the same as blocking someone or removing them as a connection. LinkedIn says deleting the chat only removes it from your inbox. If the message is inappropriate, you may want to report the conversation, remove the connection, or block the member instead. And if you're not sure whether to delete or archive, archiving may be the better option. LinkedIn says archived conversations can be viewed later and restored, while deleted ones cannot be recovered. So if you might need the chat again, archiving is the safer choice. To delete messages on the LinkedIn app, open Messaging, then either delete the whole conversation from the More menu, or tap and hold a message you sent to delete that one message. Just remember that single message deletion has a time limit, and deleted conversations cannot be restored. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.